Well, we finally got our radio that we wanted, our PACKOUT Ultimate Job Site sound system in Milwaukee. I've heard a lot of people say good things about it. I am excited because I could put this on site somewhere and charge my battery. Fits all M18s, which we're going to find out if it fits the, do we have a 12 ampere? Let's see if we can shove a 12 ampere in there. It looks like this thing. The tape's already cut on that side. It's not on this side though. Thought maybe somebody had already opened this one. I won't be the first. Okay. Our normal stuff. Instructions. We do have 2 AA batteries, I guess, for the clock. See if you can grab me a 12 ampere battery, please. I do have. Where are you going, son? Closet? Yeah. Yeah, I think the AC closet has a couple batteries on the charger. Okay, we got Bluetooth 4.2. Couldn't tell you what that means. Is that 12 ampere? Oh, awesome. Thank you. I didn't have to cut it, I guess. I could have just pulled it out of the plastic.
Whoa. The Milwaukee, whenever it's like brand new, it looks kind of cool.
It looks what?
It looks kind of cool.
Yeah.
And then it gets started.
You know, it doesn't smell as plasticky as a lot of stuff coming out of China, but I wish it was made in the US, but it would also be very expensive. Okay, 12 ampere battery. It's got plenty of room in there. They could go with just a little bit of a taller battery. That wouldn't be a big issue at all. So that works. I'm not sure if you have a phone that has that jack anymore, but it does have the 3.5 millimeter. Is that what it's called?
The aux cable for.
Yeah. Anyway, it's got the old earphone cable. Nobody usually got Bluetooth. Got a little place. Well, iPhone center. Give me that iPhone. Is that yours or?
This
That's
is
mine.
yours.
Okay, so Pro Max fits in there, so you could charge your phone, have it in a safe place. I'm pretty sure that while you're listening to music, it would probably also ring, let you know someone's calling. Got a decent sized little antenna right here for your AM FM channels. I doubt that that does anything with the Bluetooth. I've always wondered if you could put an antenna to extend the Bluetooth. Okay. So we got that little compartment back there for your 2 AA batteries, which we're gonna have to get a small screwdriver.
Oh,
If you can find me one, look in there. Might be one in there. I'm pretty sure it worked even if you didn't put the batteries in there. We're gonna go ahead and throw them in there. If you could open those up for me, that will make it faster for the video. Means I don't have to edit as much. trying to get these videos down. Okay, so got a place right there for the 2 batteries. A couple Maxwell batteries. Didn't Tesla buy Maxwell?
What?
Did Tesla buy Maxwell? The battery company? I think they also did Maxwell? Okay, so we got that in there. They did? I thought that's what I'd heard. They bought Maxwell. I'm not sure if their small battery department's the same as big batteries, but I remember hearing something. Press and hold to turn on. Okay, let me see my phone. So Bluetooth nowadays is so much easier. You click on it, go to your Bluetooth, go down. It'll be searching. You see it's got half a dozen things on there. And then...
Might you move it a little bit that way.
Huh?
When you move.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Stop.
Which one though?
Job site, I'm pretty sure.
I don't think so. I think that's my little... I have so many Bluetooth... Yeah, it's not either one of these. This thing's not a job site. Oh, it is the ultimate job site. Oh no, it can't be. This one's not, son, this one's not M12 or M18. What radio do we have that's M12? Oh, the little octagon one's M12R.
Dude, you got an octagon?
Well, it's a tube.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, no, look, it's the M18 PACKOUT radio.
Okay.
So,
Well,
allow.
so we know it's connected now.
It's connected. So, hey, I tell you what, I'm gonna find some music and play it. And then I want you to call and we'll see. We know it's going to interrupt, or we're pretty sure. So.
But we need
No, I got that handled. I know what you're thinking.
Because then it'll copyright.
No, I got that handled. I got that handled. Remember, that's not copyrighted music. This is our music from one of our videos.
Like hold out?
Yeah.
So it stops.
It stops, but it doesn't play through the unit. It just stops the music. I mean, that I'd rather it ring on here. I wonder if it's a setting in the iPhone. Alright, so that didn't work. We'll look for it and see. I like it. Pretty loud for kind of bad music. Because this is not the best music.
What if we put like rock music or something?
Yeah, we're not doing rock music.
Country is loud.
So you can adjust your bass and all that stuff. That's neat. Modes, presets, of course, turn it down. You got FM.
FM radio.
Okay, you got a scan feature. You press and hold it to scan. Pause and play. It'll probably activate that. So we'll put it back on Bluetooth. Okay. Yeah. So you can start back up. Say if you're charging your phone, you stop it for a minute. Okay. So that works. Pretty neat. When you're charging your battery, your lights are here. So can you reach back here and plug it in? That's something I love, to have an item on the job site that will charge. Now, I'm not saying this is going to be super fast charger, but
at least it can charge.
at least you're charging.
That's on the bottle opener.
Yeah, it has a bottle opener on the side.
You don't want to use
So,
that over here.
lights green. Do we have a low battery we can turn there? Grab the one out of the impact over there. Let's see. The other side lights up red. Okay, so when the battery's out, lights go off. Is that one missing a few? Oh, that is a small battery.
On a big impact.
Ah, you know, it might be neat to set this one up and see how fast it charges. Maybe a 6 amp hour or something like that. Doesn't have to be anything. So yeah, the other light comes on red. So
It'll probably charge it in
it'll charge.
5 minutes.
So it's probably gonna take quite a while. What would be cool is to have a meter here. Tells you what to charge. It might be, you know, it'd also be cool if this thing had the weather radio in it. I don't know. The weather radio is terrible. I listen to it every once in a while, but I don't even know what that was. What was it? Oh, that was from mine. That could get us in trouble. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty neat. It's heavy. And of course, like anything else Milwaukee, it's pretty expensive, but we have some neat plans with it. Pack out on one of our units.
Durable. Probably really durable.
And also to take it out there on the trails with us when we're out there, you know, at the end of a trail and we're working on stuff or we're getting ready to cook or do whatever else we're gonna do. So yeah, cool. Bottle opener.
For root beer.
There it is. There's nothing, yeah, for the root beers. Nothing groundbreaking or anything. Does sound pretty good. I can't wait to hear it with something other than music from one of our YouTube videos so we know how well it works. Water and dust resistant. It's got an IP54 rating. It's impact resistant and customizable. What they mean by that is when you stack it, you can put your little toolbox on it. Underneath can have a, you know, rolling pack out.
Pack out.
Yeah, whatever you want. I still like that it charges the battery. Our first ones,
Remember?
we got one
yeah.
that charges the battery, but you had to have the special, it's not just connected all the time. You had to go find the wall wart and all that, which most people can probably keep up with it.
Is it
I don't keep
the
up.
cube one or no, the rectangle?
It's kind of a long rectangle.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I could never find that one, but so we never charged with it. And to be honest, it does not say how fast it would charge it, but this isn't a supercharger. I'm quite sure about it. You know, we may set up and run this as to see how fast it does it, and put this one against one of our other chargers. It means we need to drain either 2 6-volt. We need to find, you know what? We need to go Home Depot and get 2 6 amp hour batteries.
Today?
Maybe not right this second, but either today or one of these days, and put this one against one of the regular chargers. Because if we do one of these, you know, this one's 6 or 7 months old. it might charge slower than one, or might charge faster, may not hold as much energy. So, it's stuck? Yeah. But anyway, so far I like the looks of it. These aren't flimsy. They seem like they take...
Oh, they're not just like thin.
Yeah, they're not as thin. I've got one that you push on and just boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Push on it. It's pretty strong, right?
Yeah.
They don't seem to want to come off. The whole PACKOUT seems stout. You know, you don't want to submerge it in water or anything. But that's going to be the end of our video. I'm glad we finally got it. And you'll see it in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.